Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OPPO A98. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom. Next is located right here on top of the screen, and that's a phone called speaker. And if this phone does have the stereo speakers, sound should be coming from both of them. If not, that means this phone doesn't have it and has the mono speakers instead. So let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that confirms it. This device does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.